Hello everyone, this is Ashwin here. In this video, we are going to see about tokenization. So this is one of the important NLP concept we will be using in most of the project. So tokenization is a process of breaking down the given text in natural language processing into a smallest unit in a sentence called a token. The smallest units can be considered as a word, not like individual characters. The lowest or smallest unit in a sentence can be considered as a word. And apart from word, it also separates the special characters. Let's say if you are having some exclamation or dot, comma, and other punctuations are there, means it can able to separate the words from the special characters, so it will be easier for processing. Let's say if you are having some hi everyone with the exclamation, so if you are just splitting the words using let's say a text dot split, means it will split the words based on the spaces. I will also show an example based on this. And here you can able to see punctuation marks, words, numbers can be considered as tokens. So this will just separate each other, and this will be very easier for processing. Now for this, let's create an example text. So I'll just say text equals, so hi everyone, this is hackers realm, we are learning natural language processing. Okay, so these are the words we are having. So this is the whole text. Now let's say if you want to just split up the words based on the spaces, means the result will look like this. So text dot split based on space, run this. Now you can see, hi everyone, this is hackersrealm, we are learning natural language processing. It's also including this exclamation mark, that is the special characters. Here also you can see a dot, and here also you can see a dot. So whenever we are dealing with the text processing, this whole thing will be considered as a token. And see, this word won't be matching. Let's say if you are having a word called realm, means it won't be matching because of this dot. So that's why it's better to use the word tokenize. So apart from word tokenize, we can also have like sentence tokenize. It will just separate the sentences. Now let's see that as an example. I'm gonna import NLTK. So from NLTK import send tokenize and word tokenize. Word, okay, just suggesting just now. Okay, word tokenize, run this. Now I'm gonna do the tokenization. First I'm gonna tokenize based on the sentence. Split the text into sentences, send tokens equals send tokenize of what you can see, pass the text, and we will just display the send tokens, run this. Now you can see it just splitted the sentence correspondingly. So here you can clearly see, hi everyone, this is hackers realm, we are learning natural language processing. So it's clearly splitting the sentence without any discrepancy. So this is how you can like split the text or big article or paragraphs into a list of sentences. And now let's see how to split that sentence into words. So this is the granular level. I will say word tokens equals word tokenize of text word tokens. Let's run this. Now you can clearly see the difference between this simple text dot split and the word tokenize. So here it is splitting each and individual words. So hi everyone, and the exclamation will be like a separate token, and this is hackers realm, and dot is considered as a separate token, and here also the special character is considered as a separate token. Now you can clearly match the word realm or everyone. It is actually matching with the words in the dictionary. So this will be easier for us to do the processing, and it will avoid some unnecessary meaningless words. That's why we are using tokenization in every pre-processing step of NLP projects. We can also have another additional text. So I'll just say we reached 100,000 views. We reached actually 1,000,000 views. So I'll just add this in the sentence. So we will also see whether it is tokenizing the numbers. Let's say dot, run this, run this. Now here, based on the spacing, it's just tokenizing this. Let's also consider for the send tokenize. Okay, it is working fine. Let's see the word tokens. It's also separating the digits from the actual words. So this will be very helpful if you are doing some processing with the text. So this is the advantage of using tokenization, and we'll be doing this in every project. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.